Hi. My name is Sina Abbasi from digigraphic.net. Today we want to convert any photo to vector shape. We can use this trick for make vector files from anythings. We can print this vector file on t-shirts and any dress. Or we can make amazing basic face logo. You can make amazing poster, icons, profile picture, music video and motion graphic, used to design web banner, and more. Enjoy free size. And last step, you can save vectors as EPS file. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. Go to Image menu. Adjustment layer. Threshold. Move slider and change threshold level. Click OK. Now, we need to save image as JPG format. Go to File menu. Save as. Change Save as type to JPG. Click Save. And click OK. Now we need to open Corel Draw software and convert exported image to vector file in next step. You can put comment on my channel videos and say what do you want. You can say, hi, I need logo design tutorials. OK, and we make logo design tutorials and publish soon. Thanks for subscribe our channel. Open Corel Draw. Click New Project. Click OK. Thanks for subscribe our channel. Right-click on screen and click Import. Choose JPG image and click Import. Click on screen. Left-click on image for select it. Go to Bitmaps menu. Outline trace. High quality image. Set trace type on outline. Then set type of image on high quality image. Go to Trace Controls Settings. Detail slider. You can set vector details. Smoothing slider. This option makes smother your vector lines. Corner smothers. You can have more smoother corners in your vector file. Options. Delete original image. If you check this option, Corel remove original image after convert. Remove background. Automatic chose color. If check this option, Corel automatically chose colors from image. Specify color. If chose this option, you can choose specify color and remove from image. Remove color from entire image. If check this option, you can remove specify color from all of image. Merge adjacent objects of the same color. You can automatically merge objects of same color. Remove object overlap. You can remove overlap objects. Group objects by color. And you can group objects by color. Well done. Click OK. Vector shape is ready. Now you need to save EPS file. And done. Go to File, Export. Change Save as Type to EPS format. And choose a name for EPS file. If you check Select Only option, you can save only selected objects. And this is very useful. Click Export. Change resolution to 300. And check transparent background. Click OK. Thanks for watching, I hope enjoy that. If you want to support us, just subscribe channel and like video. Or say anything in comments.